Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be very different to my normal videos. My normal videos are food related and this video has been requested basically since the Wonder Woman movie came out. I would even say a little bit before then. It is my Wonder Woman hairstyle. I was doing this hairstyle before the Wonder Woman movie came out and it was more out of necessity rather than beauty. But then it came out and then Gal Gadot had this like fabulous hair and people were like, oh, that's the Gal Gadot hairstyle. And I was like, sure. It is super simple. You don't even need a mirror to do it. I've done it many times just on the street when it was really hot and I had my hair down. Bang, bang, bang. You don't even need a brush. You just need 4 hair ties depending on your hair length. Since I've grown my hair, I just put it in one ponytail. Normally it's easier, but because I had such short hair, I couldn't get it off my neck. I ended up doing a few ponytails essentially and folding one into the other. As I said, it's super simple and I'm about to show you this. So here is my Fierce Warrior Amazonian hairstyle. So I'm gonna use these hair ties. I prefer ones like this that don't have that metal bit, because that tends to rip my hair because my hair is quite curly. I need to sneeze and it's gone. I use 4. Now, I don't have a mirror, so I'm gonna be doing this by touch. So you grab your hair tie and then I like to separate it. The first part, I like to make it about my temple level, maybe just above my temples. And then I pull it back up like so. Now, because once I tie it here, and I create the bump, I have a gap here. You want to avoid that. So I took this part here and I'm pulling it back down. That creates a little bit of volume. And so you tie this one up. One more. There we go. Part 1 is done. Easy peasy. Part 2. Get your second hair tie. Now I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. I take it from around the ears, maybe just above the ears here. So I take it like this. And I pull up a bit. And then I separate. And then I tie it. Here comes the creative part. So it's fairly tight now. And what you want to do is loosen this part. So you pull it up a bit. You loosen it. Like so. Now the third section, I do it from maybe at the base of my ears. And again, I pull it up a bit. And you continue, as you grab your hair, I'm sorry for all the churn noise, by the way. As you grab your hair, you grab the ponytail that you tied above it. And you pull this one a bit higher so that you create the bumps. Now, they feel right. When I edit the video, I'll know if they're right or not. But now you get your final part, and this one, there are a few ways to do it. You can either tie it and leave with a ponytail out, and if you have long hair, you can tie it again. Or because my hair's not that long, I prefer to turn it into a bit of a bun. So I pull this out as it is. The bigger you make the bumps, the better it looks, I think. So you get a little bit like a mohawk effect. And now this final piece, I like to turn it like this. Tighten it. And I like to have it messy. This look, I think, looks best if it's a little bit messy. If you texture your hair before, if you curl it a bit or like do braids, sleep with it overnight, then you put this look, it looks very good. You can also have it sleek, but I prefer it a little bit more textured. So this is the final result, I guess. The more times you do it, the easier it'll get. I always get compliments on it. And people are like, well, that looks so complicated. And it's totally not. It's just 4 ponytails that you tie into each other. That's that's it. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I don't mind doing them at all. I think a few of you wanted to see me do like a makeup tutorial or something. There was a skincare one. I know a few of you want me to do a skincare video. Let me know if that's the case. I'm more than happy to do it. Other than that, we have quite a few interesting videos coming up, food related. Now, because I've shown you how to do my hairstyle, I want you guys to show me how you do your hairstyles. What's your favorite hairstyle, or quickest hairstyle, or go-to hairstyle, or work hairstyle, school hairstyle? What is your favorite hairstyle to do? Either do a short video or take a photo, and Instagram or Facebook both work. Send it to me, tag me, and let me know. I'm really curious what you guys do. I want us to interact more. I want us to get closer. That is. If you like the content, please subscribe and hit that notification button. I'd love to see you around. Make sure you comment. I love reading your comments, you guys. I reply to a lot of them. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.